Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating easy causes. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and airplane mode is off, then reboot both devices. Once done, forget the network on your phone and reconnect using the correct password so no cached settings interfere. Rebooting clears temporary glitches and refreshes DHCP assignments, which often restores full speed. Now run a simple speed test app to measure baseline performance before deeper steps. That gives you a clear before / after to verify progress. Once you have a baseline, tune the radio and software settings. Move your phone to the 5 GHz band if available for faster throughput or 4 GHz if you need range. Then change the router channel to a non-overlapping option, channels 1, 6, or 11, and rescan for interference from other networks or microwaves. Make sure your phone's apps aren't using background data. Switch DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 for potentially faster name resolution. These steps reduce contention and latency. You finish by resetting stubborn configurations and optimizing signal path. Perform a network settings reset on the phone to clear corrupt profiles, then reposition the router centrally and higher in the room away from metal and walls to improve line of sight. If needed, factory reset the router and reconfigure basic security and SSIDs. Make sure to test again. Troubleshooting tip. If problems persist after all steps, check with your ISP for outages or throttling before replacing hardware to avoid unnecessary expense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.